Is your Windows operating system reporting the Storprop Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before starting the detailed Storprop library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Storprop library, the storage property sheet extension. It manages the unmanaged COM interface for disk property dialogs in Windows Explorer. It retrieves real-time data from the disk.sys driver to manifest hardware policies, write cache settings, and volume layout information for both internal and removable storage devices. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Storprop is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Storprop library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in Step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Storprop Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're addressing Storprop library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Storprop library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support,